Welcome to the channel, Dolan Chick. Today we are going to make naren. It's soup. It's very good for your body in these cold winter days. Okay, let's begin. I already set up the soup beforehand. It's been boiling probably 3 hours now. And the meat becomes very tender and soft. I put lamb, ginger and little bit salt in it. I put in the ginger the last half hour. I have here carrots, onion with 3 herbs such as black pepper, cumin and salt. I cut them in big sections, just like this. Carrots also in big sections because I put them in the soup, and after about 10 minutes I take them out. Put a pinch of cumin in it, pinch of black pepper and also a pinch of salt. While the soup is cooking, I'm going to make dough. Put in pinch of salt, 1 egg for the dough. I'm going to take out that white piece of the egg. It sometimes has a very weird smell because of that white piece. When you put it in the water, put it little by little. Knead the dough until it's nice and smooth, like this, and let it rest for about 10 minutes and cover it with a wet towel. The soup is still boiling because the carrots are not soft enough. Make sure let it boil until it becomes soft. Now I'm going to make very thin and big dough. Just keep rolling until it becomes extremely thin. If the dough tears, don't worry, you are going to tear up the dough later anyway. I'm going to tear it up. This is a size. There's no rule about it. Just close your eyes or just fill the dough and tear it up. Some dough sticks to each other. You need to separate them from each other like this. The carrots and onion, they are now soft enough to take out. And I take out the ginger and meat. Now I'm going to pour the soup through the strainer. We don't need this, so you can throw this away. I brought the soup to the boil. Now I put in the noodle. When it's boiling, turn the fire down to the low heat. As you can see, you need enough water for the noodle to cook it. Add salt to your own liking. Now I cut the meat, carrot and onion in small pieces. Make sure that you take out the bone. I cut the onion also in small pieces. I put a little bit salt water in it, like this, and then mix it. Salt water has other taste than just salt. After about 10 minutes, naren is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Naren is ready. I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, share this video with your friends, families, and if you like it, put a little bit black pepper on it as a topping. It's very delicious. Thank you again, and if you like it, consider subscribing to my channel, Dolan, and see you next time. Bye!